Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Zebra, and I'm probably going to mispronounce it, Surari Sharbo 1000 two-color multi-pen / pencil. I'm going to write all that stuff down for y'all using this pen because I probably mispronounced a bunch of it. It's Zebra, and then it's S-U-R-A-R-I. That's Shari, I think, and then Sharbo, and this is just the 1000. Now, this is kind of an interesting multi-pen / pencil. It twists to deploy the refill, and you have black and red. So I have Zebra, Shari, Sharbo 1000, and then you have the mechanical pencil, Zebra, Shari, Sharbo 1000. That would be 10,000. So we're not quite up to the Shari 10,000 yet. And you unscrew the tip here to get to the eraser to fix your extra zero type mistake, like so. Now, these run about $15 or $16 each. It doesn't feel like a cheap pen, but it also doesn't feel like an expensive pen. It kind of feels like just a mid-range pen, like when you're handling it. And it doesn't feel bad, but it's also not spectacular. And so to replace the... there we go. Okay, so to replace the cartridges, you just pull the end off, which I managed to figure out. And then these things pop out. Alright, this looks to me like a D1 refill, but I'm not 100% sure. I've had remarkably bad luck when it comes to Zebra pens and the refills fitting. I'll include a link in the description if you want to find this on Amazon. I'll also include a link to Jet Pens for this particular pen, and they should have all the information about the refills. And make sure, just before you get any refills for this, make sure they are ones that will fit, because I've had terrible luck with Zebra pens and getting refills that are supposed to fit that don't. Like I had big problems with there's a Fisher Universal refill that's supposed to fit D1s, and I had problems getting that to fit with some of the Zebra stuff. Anyway, it's kind of a neat pen, and these come in a bunch of different colors. So if you like the style and you like the look, it's plastic. It's a plastic pen, but it's not bad so much. I don't know. I feel like, can we see? Let me see. See if I can see. Okay. So, can y'all see the label? It looks like 1,000 yen. All right. So, can y'all? That's all. Is that all blurry? It looks blurry. Anyway, it looks like 1,000 yen. So, maybe at around $10, this pen. I'd like this pen better at $10 than at $16. Because at $10, I can kind of forgive the more plastic. And I mean, it's not light plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, but it does feel plastic. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. It's kind of an interesting pen, and I mean, I don't mind it. And there's a chance it takes D1 refills, which would be good, but I'm distrustful of Zebra and D1 refills after some of my experiences. So, anyway, let me know what you think. If there are any multi-pens you'd like me to take a look at, or any other things, just let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, you can also let me know down there as well. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.